Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a fascinating topic to discuss. Artificial intelligence, AI, has come a long way in recent years, and it's becoming increasingly common to see AI being used in various creative fields such as music, art, and writing. But can machines ever truly be creative? That's what we're going to explore in this video. The definition of creativity. Before we dive into the topic of AI and creativity, we need to define what creativity is. Creativity is the ability to produce something new and innovative. It involves using imagination and original ideas to create something that has not been done before. It's a trait that is often associated with humans. But can machines ever truly be creative? The role of AI in creative fields. AI has come a long way in recent years and is being used in various creative fields. For example, IBM's Watson has been used to create a trailer for a horror movie called Morgan. The trailer was created by analyzing the entire movie to identify the most scary scenes, which were then compiled to create the trailer. In music, there are AI programs like Music that can create an entire original song in minutes. These programs analyze popular music to create their own original pieces. In art, AI can create paintings and drawings that are indistinguishable from those created by humans. Can machines ever be truly creative? While machines can certainly imitate creativity, there's a debate in the creative world on whether machines can ever be truly creative. At the end of the day, machines follow algorithms and codes that are created by humans. They can analyze and compile information, but they can't come up with ideas on their own. Creativity involves imagination and originality, things that machines can't generate on their own. In the end, creativity is a human trait, something that sets us apart from machines. As the future of AI and creativity, while machines may never be as creative as humans, there's no denying the benefits of AI in creative fields. AI can free up time and resources, allowing artists, writers, and musicians to focus on other aspects of their work. In the future, we can expect to see more AI being used in creative fields. But it's important to remember that machines can never replace human creativity. We'll always need human imagination and originality to push the boundaries of what